Hello, welcome back to our channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use a different kinds of filter on TikTok. So once you made the video, you can add and remove different types of filters to make your video looks more attractive. Alright, so let's get started with the video. First, we'll shoot a video. Okay, for this, just tap this plus sign at the bottom and take the video and record it for a few seconds. Alright, so I'm just showing you, I'm just recording a small clips. Okay, so once you record, just hit this tick mark, and now it will take a couple of seconds to process your video. And now you can add sounds, effect, you can add text on the top of video, and at the same time you can add voice effects and filters as well. So in order to add filters, you can see on the right side, here's the three circle button, and if you tap on that, you can see the four different types of filters. The first one is for the portrait, and the second one is for landscape, and third one is for, like, if you're making some food videos, you can apply the food filters, and the fourth one for like mood, what kind of vibe your video gives, you can add this filter. So these are the available options for portrait. There are lots and lots of options, right? So if we pick this one, we can see the changes in color and everything, right? So okay, so if I change, it's a little bit brighter and more brighter. And let's get back to the portrait. Yeah, portrait is more colorful. Yeah, and if you go on the vibe, that the last one, you can use I think there are some limited, no, lots of filters. And if you like black and white, you can pick this one, and the little more brighter black and white, more brighter. Yeah, so there are lots of filters. So based on the types of video you are shooting, you can add the filter you want. For the portrait, you can select lots of anyone from these various options, and for the landscape, you can select these, any one of these, also for the foods. And once you're done with, let's say I have selected this filters, okay, now I'll just tick in this next, tap on this next, and my video is ready for the post. So let's post this video. Alright, cool. So this is my previous one. So the first one is right over here. It's almost, if you can see on the top, you can see the percentage, it's growing, it's about to post. We're almost done, 60%. Alright, now the video is almost ready. If I click on that, yeah, so this is the video that we had just recorded, added a black and white filters, and posted on TikTok. Thank you so much for watching.